Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.
Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learn about JDesktopPane in Java. The JDesktopPane class can be used to create the multi-document applications. A multi-documents applications can be have many windows, including in it. We do it by making the content pane in the main window as an instance of the desktop JDesktopPane class or a subclass. Internal window add instance of the J internal frame to the JDesktopPane instance. The internal windows are the instance of the J internal frame or its subclasses. Now we just see the practically how we create this. So here just import a library of java.awt and border layout. Now I just import java.awt.container. Now import javax.swing.j desktop pane library. And now here I just import java swing.j frame. Import java x.swing.j internal frame, and this is import java x.frame, right? Now I just import java x.swing.j label. Okay, now I just extend jframe and then I just write public and JDesktopPane. So the function of JDesktopPane here, and now I just write custom desktop pane, and which is desktop pane, which is equal to new custom desktop pane. Okay, here I just write container, and which is content pane is equal to get content pane. And now content pane dot add, and add is desktop here, it's desktop pane here. Now border layout dot center. Okay, and then desktop pane dot display, and here I just write desktop pane. Okay, now I just set the title here, and the title set title, and the title to my frame is J desktop, and set the size now, so 300 and 250. Okay, now I just write set visible, and it is set visible, so I just write here true. Okay, so there is some spelling mistake in this desktop, and yes, now it's okay. And the border layout, which is desktop pane. Now here, after that, I just go to the main method, so public static void main. So here I just write strings and the arguments. Now I just create new J and this class name JDesktopPane, and after that I just create another class which is custom desktop pane. So custom desktop pane class, and this custom desktop pane class extends our this desktop pane. So where is our custom? Yes, this one. So this desktop pane. Okay, and here I just write integer which is num frames which is equal to 3, then x which is equal to 3. So we have the num frame of integer 3, and then x which is equal to 3, and then y which is equal to x is equal to 30 and y is equal to 30. Now public void display, and display here is custom desktop pane which is dp. Okay, so it's a custom desktop pane. Sorry, we not take this class here, but I just write extend the desktop pane here. Okay, and I just forget something to add here, which is for loop, and I just write the for loop here, and this is a method, and I just write for integer I which is equal to 0, then I which is less than num frame, and then I plus plus, I plus plus. Now you just write j internal frame, and which is j frame as an object name which is equal to new j internal frame, right? And here I just pass the string which is internal frame. Then I just concatenate I, then I just write true, true, and true, and true. Okay, now here, now j frame dot set, and the set here is boundaries. So the boundaries are x, y, 250 and 85. Sorry, I have it's x and y, and then 250 and 85. Okay, now c1 dot add, and the add here is new, and new is j label, or the label here is I love my country. Okay, now dp dot add, and add here is j frame. So I just add a label here and the frame here. Now j frame dot set, and set is the visible here, and then it's true. Okay, and then y plus is equal to 85. Okay, here I just take a container which is c1 for that add object, which is equal to frame dot get, jframe dot get, and get is a content pane. Okay, so we have the container here which is equal to jframe dot get content pan, and now here I just run this code, so you can see that we have the three windows here. As I declared the integer number frame which are 3, and on x which is 30 and y which is 30, so which is I love my country frame number 1, frame number 2, and then frame number 3. So these are the three frames here in the window. So this is a simple JDesktopPane example in Java. So you can see here three desktops. I just minimize this one, so 3, and you can also set the size of this one. You can see restore and you can cancel these windows too. So this is a simple DesktopPane example in Java. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.
If you are looking for teaching stuff, education stuff, programming series, application, and Android development, coding skills, marketing skills, presentation skill, paid courses for free are available. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.